Okay, so we have replaced the LG logo at startup with the Holiday Inn Express logo. The TV then pops up and now is programmed to come on to the weather channel, which currently is channel 36, but we're going to move that to channel 1. Once the logo or channel identifier fades off screen, it takes a second, but then this little guide help icon pops up and says, hey, if you want a channel guide, go ahead and push the channel guide. Once we push that, you notice it comes up and you've got all sorts of information as far as what's coming on next and where the channels are located. And you can scroll up and down one page at a time and get those channels, get that information. You also notice I put all the logos in there. In the public areas, the HBOs are blocked out. So even though they show in the channel lineup, you cannot tune to them. So lobby is zone 1, the fitness room will be zone 2. And if you then want to go directly to a channel, you can arrow to it. Let's get one that's got more information on it. And hit enter on your guide, and it will tune directly to that channel. So there you go. If they want the guide again, you just hit the guide button, comes right back up to the guide. We can add on to this with additional software and build your billboard pages if you're interested in doing that. We can add check-in, check-out. There's a lot we can do with the server. When it's fully used, most people don't use them for what all they do. We can even, if you've got an in-house video or a local Bastrop video that's encoded properly, we can put that on the server and add an in-house channel and make it play in a non-stop loop. So anyhow, there you go. TV in the lobby is now programmed to come on 7 days a week. It actually comes on from like 5:30 a.m. to or 5 a.m. until 11 a.m. In case of time change, you need the extra hour, but nobody has to touch it anymore. And that television in the lobby comes on to ABC. The one in the gym will come on to ESPN. So there you have it, TV lineup at the Holiday Inn Express, Bastrop, Texas.